taking the ferry to go to Cozumel for our excursion. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We are just heading to we just got off the ferry not long ago, and now we are heading with our tour group to the boat which will take us to Cielo, which is on Cozumel Island that we're visiting today. There's a ship there in the background. There's a cruise. Splendor of the seas.
No pongan nada, solamente tomen el equipo, luego vienen las indicaciones, no ya no sé cómo ponerlas. Por favor, please, just hold your gear, don't put nothing, wait for the instructions.
We're going to our first snorkel.
Chicos, para los que visitan Cozumel por primera vez, salen alrededor del mundo.
Cielo. We just got here not long ago. This is the last part of this tour where we are in a shallow end, so it is very shallow here, and we're just swimming. We had some fruit, and then we're gonna go back onto the boat. So this is our boat that we took to the Ace. So we took this from Cozumel. So we went to the Cozumel by 5th Avenue, which was where you pick up the ferry, and then from the ferry we took the ferry down to Cozumel. It took about 30 minutes on the ferry, and then we got into the Cozumel town. We met up with our tour guide, and then they took us by taxi to another area where we picked up this boat, and we've been on it since. And we did snorkeling in 2 areas so far, and this is the last part of it, and there's other boats around here as well. Very beautiful. We're just on our way back to Cozumel Island. Downtown Cozumel. Take the ferry back to Playa del Carmen. The cruise is still there. We're back on land. We're just heading over to our stop here again to meet with our guide so then we can take the ferry back to Playa del Carmen. Just waiting to cross the road. Look at, I like all these palm trees along. It looks like LA. All the palm trees along the road. Very cool. Here we are about to go take the ferry back to Cozumel. Sorry, back to Playa del Carmen.